everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liana and this is Shea Brown Girl TV. So as you can tell by the title, I am here to come to you guys with another wig review. This wig review I'm going to be doing is by Outre. It's from the Melted Hairline collection and the unit is called Audrina, and the color I have is DR2 Cinnamon Spice, and this is the start card for her hair. Okay, she's really cute. So I'm not gonna ramble too much in the beginning of this video. However, I did want to let you guys know that these wig reviews that I'm going for a different style. I want it to be quick and simple and to the point. Let you guys see that it doesn't have to take 50 million things to apply the unit and get it on and get her to looking good. Alright you guys, so the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is by Outre. It is from the Melted Hairline collection. This is in the style Audrina and the color is DR2 Cinnamon Spice. Okay, DR2 Cinnamon Spice. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take her out the pack and get right down to business, you guys, because I don't have time to waste. I have a lot of errands to do, and this is my off day until my next one, and I'm working like 5 days straight, so I have a lot to do. So we're gonna get right to it. So here is the stock card. And as you can see, this is a really nice short unit. She's not that long. The color on the card is DR4/BL Golden Honey. So that is the one that the model is wearing on the card. This is HD transparent lace and it is safe up to 400 degrees. You have baby hairs included, and you also have a pre-attached wide elastic band. I absolutely love that this has a wide elastic band. It has redesigned comfort ear contour, so it's going to fit your ears, around your ears properly. It says no plucking required, frontal effect hairline. Okay, and it also gives you some instructions on the inside. It said it has a 5-inch deep parting space. You have complete pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, and it says natural baby hairs, but y'all know these baby hairs be a struggle. But let's go ahead and get all of this stuff off of her so I can show you guys. And this is how she's looking. No, I'm deciding to get color now, so we're just gonna go with the flow. This one, of course, comes with the 2 standard combs on the side, each side. It do have the elastic band. It also has the comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps, which I have to put on there. So let me do that real quick. And this is how she's looking out of the box. The color is gorgeous. This is fall vibes, okay? Fall, okay? And it has like, it's like highlights, and like the color is beautiful. It's like different tones. It's not all one tone. It make it look all one tone, but then when you look at it, it's different tones. I absolutely love it. Of course, it has the darker roots at the top, which always gives it a nice, good transition. These are the lace and the baby hairs. If you guys can see, these baby hairs are quite long. And then here is the sideburns, which are also quite long. Look at that. That's a long sideburn. Okay, So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I'm not going to waste any more time, and then I'm going to zoom in so you guys can actually see. Here I am zoomed in. This is the parting space. You get 5-inch parting space, which looks pretty good. This is the lace and the hairline. This is the long, very, very long sideburn. Move this out the way. This is the sideburn. And then, of course, these are the baby hairs. As you can see, they give you quite a bit amount of baby hairs. You guys know I don't do baby hairs, but we gonna see. Alright, so this is the amount of lace space that you get for the sides. So you get this amount, and then right here starts the tracks. So you get about 1/2 inch maybe of hair before the tracks start. So you guys saw me install the unit with the got2b styling gel as well as the got2b freeze spray. And I went ahead and put this band around to, you know, let it sit for a while. Now I have things to do, so my sides are still a little wet, so they're not all the way down just yet, but the rest of the hair is down. It's not budging. The sides, I don't know why, because I always have to put extra in. It just takes forever to dry, but the show must go on. I have things to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use my bronzer, the same bronzer that I used to contour with, and go ahead and put it into the lace now that it is on my head, because I like for it to look blended. This is how it's looking. The parting, I did nothing to the parting. I'm going to go ahead and put some of my Sephora Micro Smooth Finish Powder in Mahogany into the lace. Although I feel like it don't need it, but you know, I'm going to do it anyway. So this is the finished look for the wig. As you can see, I always do the bare minimum because I feel like you should see how the wig will look if you actually just put it on and apply it without altering it, because I don't want anyone to be discouraged saying that, oh, this not the wig that I ordered. It don't look like she made it look. So I do less alterations on camera, and then off camera, if I want to alter it, I'll alter it off camera. And 9 times out of 10, if I alter it, I go in with the hairline and pluck it a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I don't cut it or style it or do anything else to it. I just go into the hairline. But that's how I'm going to do my videos from now on. I'm not going to do too much customizing it on camera because it defeats the purpose. Some of these wigs, you don't really need to customize it. Some people are just extra, or they prefer it a certain way. But in all honesty, all you have to do really is just cut the lace off, install it, and it looks bomb anyway. So, especially with the Outre Melted Hairline series, literally everything is on point with this unit. The cuts, the feel of the hair, the body of the hair, everything, it is perfect. It feels like the hair, you get a lot of hair. The hair is a lot, but it don't feel heavy, and it don't feel like it's too much. It's the perfect amount of hair, the perfect length. I absolutely love this length. I love the little curls at the bottom. This unit is bomb.com. I did get a little bit of shedding, but that's because I did cut the lace. But ever since I cut the lace off, I've rarely had any shedding. So no tangling as of yet. And I've been running my fingers through this hair off camera. But as you can see, the hair has a lot of movement to it. It's not stiff. It has like a relaxed texture to it. It's not shiny at all. It's a great, nice, natural sheen to it. Believe it or not, it don't smell. It don't have like a chemical smell to it, which I absolutely love. And yeah, this unit is absolutely bomb. So I would highly recommend it. I give it 2 thumbs up. I highly suggest you get this unit if you're looking to get in this unit. Definitely check her out. This color is amazing, so I highly recommend this color. Once again, this is by Outre, and it's from their Melted Hairline collection, and the wig is in Audrina. All the information will be listed in the description box. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you like this unit, if you like the video. I do have another video coming for another unit. I want to get as many of these videos out for you guys to make it at least helpful, and you know I'm coming back. I just need to pump out these videos. So that's it for this video, you guys. Stay tuned for I might have some still photos and some B-roll footage after this. Well, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.